Good morning everyone and welcome back to your digital LKG's class and welcome back to your school after holidays. Yesterday we started our day, that is Monday. What we did on Monday? We did some revision work and we looked into your holidays homework scrapbooks, that what you have done and how you spent your holidays. Okay, so now let's come back to the studies, that is the academic part. And now today what we are going to do, our English, and we have already done A till Z, that is the lowercase A till Z. Now before holidays we have done uppercase A and uppercase P, and what else we have done? We have learned some new words that start with A and some new words that start with B. The sound remains the same. A says A, B says B, A, B, B. Now after B we are going to do, today we are also going to do two uppercase letters as they are very easy to write and we have already done their sound stories. So today we are going to do C, K, C, K, C, D, 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 K, C, D, D. C says K and D says D, and writing is very easy. But before moving ahead to the writing part, let's learn some new words that are starting from C and D. With this, what you are going to do? हम हर बार न्यू लेटर्स क्यों सीखते हैं? To expand our dictionary of words. देखिए ना, आपने एक मोटी सी बुक होती है जिसमें मामा और पापा डिक्शनरी में वर्ड्स ढूंढते हैं, वैसे ही हम क्या कर रहे हैं, नए वर्ड्स लर्न करके अपनी जो ब्रेन की डिक्शनरी है उसको इंक्रीज कर रहे हैं, उसको मोटा कर रहे हैं और उसको क्या कर रहे हैं, और ज़्यादा रिच, और उसको सप्लीमेंट कर रहे हैं हम न्यू वर्ड्स ऐड करके. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द न्यू वर्ड्स. फर्स्ट सी, लिसन एंड देन स्पीक. मैम के साथ देखो, सुनो और फिर बोलो, उसको रिपीट करो. ओके, रिपीटिशन इज द की. ओके, and after that we are going to write C and D in our English notebook with a very fun activity. Okay, so let's start with a new word starting from C and D. Now, as I've told you that we are going to do uppercase C and uppercase D. So this is your uppercase C, this is your uppercase C. Okay, and the sound remains K. So today we are going to learn some new words that are starting from C, that is K. Okay, now this we all know, this is K, carrot. K, carrot, carrot. आजकल देखो विंटर्स में हम कैरेट बहुत खाते हैं. We also drink its juice. हम गाजर का हलवा, that we eat carrot halwa. गाजर का हलवा खाते हैं कि नहीं? Yes, the gajar is carrot. Okay, so this is K, carrot. K, carrot. K, carrot. And these are clouds. These are clouds. These are clouds. K, clouds. K, clouds. Very good. And this is a cup of coffee. Cup of coffee. This is a cup of coffee. This is a cup of coffee. K, coffee. And K, cup. We know about cup. We didn't know about coffee. This is a cup of coffee. We are going to say cup of coffee. Okay. Now what is this? This is a can. K, can. Sometimes soft drinks comes in can. Okay. कई बार जो soft drinks होती है वो can में भी serve होती है, like cola and Pepsi. Yes. So this is a can. K, can. Can of cola. Can of cola. K, can. K, cola. Can of cola. Okay. And now let's move to the letter uppercase D. Let's move to the letter uppercase D. Uppercase D. Sound of D is D. Look how simple it is to write. Look how simple it is to write. D. The sound is D. Let's learn the new word starting from D. Let's learn the new word starting from D. This is, we all love it, very yummy, and we get it in the bakery. What is this? It is a donut. It is a donut. It is a donut. Da, donut. Da, donut. Yes. And it is, yes, it is a dolphin. The dolphin. It is very friendly and it love kids. इसको dolphin को बच्चे बहुत पसंद है. This is dolphin. The dolphin. The dolphin. And the doctor. Whenever we are ill, we go to the doctor and he gives us pill, and we get well. This is a doctor. And when we are ill, we go to the doctor and and doctor gives us pill, and we feel very well. So this is a doctor. The doctor. And what is this? You can say that this is a camel. Yes, I agree. This is a camel. But what is this behind? All the sand is there. All the sand is there and there is no trees or grass there. What is it called? क्या कहते हैं इसको? Desert. The desert. The desert मतलब रेगिस्तान, जहाँ पे क्या होता है? सिर्फ क्या होता है? रेत होती है. ठीक है, रेत. जैसे हमारे इंडिया में कहाँ है? राजस्थान में. इफ़ यू हैव बीन टू राजस्थान या जयपुर गए तो आपको पता होगा व्हाट इज़ अ डेजर्ट. और कैमल कहाँ रहता है? कैमल लिव्स इन द desert. Camel lives in the desert. ऐसे आप रिमेंबर कर सकते हो. C and D. Camel lives in the desert. So good. Now we are just enhancing our pronunciation. We are enlarging our dictionary that is in our mind. Okay. So now let's come to the writing part. Okay. So after learning the new words that are starting from C and D, we are going back to the writing portion. So this is your English notebook. On this page, this is our activity page. And this is our writing page. Okay. So writing we are going to do after the activity is finished. So let's all come back to the activity page. So this is your activity page. As I have told you, today we have learned about uppercase C and uppercase D. The sound remains the same. For C, the sound is K, and for D, the sound is D. Now you can see how I have made C and it looks like a cat, cat. And now look at the D. How does this D looks? It looks like a dog, that too a Dalmatian dog which have spots on it. Spot D, yes, हमने देखी है वो फिल्म 101 Dalmatian. उसमें कैसे डॉगीज थे? वाइट डॉगीज विद ब्लैक स्पॉट्स ऑन देम. दे आर कॉल्ड Dalmatians. द Dalmatian and the dog. Okay. Now what we are going to do? We are just going to make a curve with a finger like this. Curve C. Vertical line. Curve D. Now take out any color that you like of your crayon and you will color them. Start coloring. Yes. Fill it up. Fill the C with color. Now the color of C is complete. Look, it looks like a yellow cat, and this is the nosy of the cat. We can color it red or pink. Okay. So C is done. Now D. Dalmatian, dog. The Dalmatian, the dog. Now take out any color of your choice. I am taking brown. Let's color it. First step is vertical line, then the other step is curve. This. Okay. So our D is also complete. I am doing it in a bit of hurry, but you have to do it slightly, slowly and nicely. Okay. So our activity is done. C cat we have made and D dog. Okay. With the letters himself. Letters से ही बना दिए हैं हमने C cat. देखो. With the letters itself we have made C cat and D dog. Now let's come to the writing part. And as you all can see, writing part is so simple. So simple. You have done curve. You have done vertical line. Curve also. Okay. So now let's start with reading. The date is 11 January 2022. I by mistake have written it 21. But you don't do the same mistake. Do you write 22? 11 January 22. C.W. means classwork. And the day is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Now, what is this? This is a corn. Corn. See? Corn. See? Corn. And this is a dinosaur. 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 C says K. D says D. Very good. Now, let's write C. We will complete this line, then this, then we will move to D. Very simple. 2 dots are there. Just make a curve. Curve C. Curve C. Curve C. Like this. And let's move to the D. You have to complete them whole. I'm not doing it again and again as it is very simple to write curve. Okay. So D. First of all, for D, you have to make a vertical line. Then again a curve from top dot to the lower dot. Make a vertical line, then curve like this. Vertical line and curve. Like this, you have to complete these 2 lines. I hope this is very simple and we have made beautiful cat with the C letter itself and beautiful Dalmatian dog with the D letter itself. I hope you enjoyed, and in the next video we will go to learn about the world around us. हमारे आसपास की दुनिया में क्या हो रहा है, हम कहाँ रहते हैं, हमारी जगह का नाम क्या है, that all. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video.